So far, we've been using the word span as a verb, but you can also use it as a noun. And I just wanted to mention this sort of different usage. Uh, if we talk about it, if we let S be a subset of a vector space, then the span of S, and we denote that like this, is the set of all linear combinations of the vectors in S. And this fact here, if S is a subset of V, then the span of S is a subspace of V. So let's look at a few examples. The span of 2, 1. This is in R2, so 2, 1 is going to go over 2 and up 1. So the span of 2, 1 is just all the vectors that lie on this line. And let's see, what is this line? Well, it's if this is the point 2, 1, it's the line with slope 2. No slope 1/2. Okay. What about this next one? The span in R3 of these two vectors. Well, the span of those two. Notice they're not multiples of each other. So the span of these guys is a plane. A plane in R3. What about this next one? The span of this. Well, this is in R3. So it's just going to be a line in R3. Can we be more specific than that? In this case, yeah, it's easy to be more specific than that because that vector just lies on the z-axis. If you look at this, you got x, y, z. This is the vector 0, 0, 3, so it's going to be poking up this way. So you could say a line in R3 specifically the z-axis. So that's going to be everything along that z-axis, up and down. Okay, what about this one? The span of 1, 2, 0, 2, and 4, 0. Now these are in R2, and we've got 3 of them. And if you notice, they don't lie on the same line. So the span of this is going to be all of R2. Let's talk a little bit more about that. The span of this is all of R2. These 3 vectors, they're not linearly independent. I mean, these 2 guys right here, you can see that's just a, this will get you the x-axis, or no, this will get you the y-axis, this will get you the x-axis. So together, these will get you everything. You got this other guy over here that's kind of redundant, but still, taking the span of those, you can get everything in R2. Okay, this last one is kind of a, what's the word? It's a small case. The span of just the origin in R3. Well, you can take this and multiply it by any constant you want, and you're still just going to get the origin. So the span of this is just going to be the origin in R3. All right, that's it.